The Khasi Students' Union KSU has decided to temporarily suspend its ongoing sit-in protest at the Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences Neigrihms, Shillong, following intervention from the Meghalaya government and assurances from the institute to address the union's demands. The indefinite protest, which began on the 1st of May 2025, was called off after a high-level meeting chaired by State Minister Paul Lingdo with the participation of Neigrihms officials and KSU representatives. During the discussion, the institute agreed to pause ongoing recruitment processes while it examines key concerns raised by the student body. KSU President Lombok Star Marngar told reporters that the suspension of the protest is temporary and aimed at allowing time for document review and continued dialogue. He emphasized that the union remains committed to advocating for the rights of the state's indigenous community. The union's demands include greater transparency in hiring practices, implementation of reservation for scheduled tribe candidates, and the setting up of a local recruitment examination center. KSU also criticized the recent decision to reduce the upper age limit for job applicants from 35 to 30 years, arguing that it unfairly impacts many who faced delays due to COVID-19 pandemic. Another key issue raised was the 80:20 gender reservation policy in nursing posts. The union maintains that Neigrihms has the authority to amend this policy through its governing council, despite claims that it follows central directives. The KSU further insisted on the urgent need for an examination center in Meghalaya, pointing out that the aspirants are currently forced to travel to distant cities like Guwahati and Delhi, incurring additional costs. While supporting computer-based testing, the union recommended offline exams until the state improves its digital infrastructure. Neigrihms has invited KSU leaders for further discussions scheduled for the 6th of May 2025, during which the union will review the institute's roster and seek clarification on unresolved matters.
Bat kita ipentag makanan kong kibala banle ini nadung lasai kasngi sesong bat ki nong bot penjani kirim pantek bat mi benia ya keba ta ki pentag bala banle ngasale na pat nam ta ka jimbet jingbiang khamtam nam ta ka jimun toy jong baro sarlansa kum kaseng kanam shong klikti kum kaseng kanam syukut andai ngenyai podien na kapor support wat ese wat takimat kipa yidawa pat long cispa na cispa andai ngasubondong nakaliang Jempor penjat Neigrihms ihap pendam mentaka sengi aka jingeter jingatai pat kaseng hibro gowe halal pedang kita ke jingemer jum jingeter jingatai mene kasengi nakaliang ila sudai ya kaliang kasih isi akabani nang apru kataka penlech po no ba dahi ban yakran yakta kimat tu bakas nakaliang jempor ke Neigrihms kimla bandrai nakaliang jo kaseng chipo kamdai bangi penkot ndai chipor mentaka sengi in saweng no ya kane ka set in position hangni po school hangni po jaka sumar hangni po Neigrihms rekap sumut ba kita kijing yaki to kaseng ila kot rai isnotu ba ala penginya tagalenti ba kamtam bangin peteng yiru ya kawan budi ni kikam nang bangin yoi ba kita kijing dawa ba jingfang to kaseng kilong bayai bet yanti ba kamtam kilong bajok aso bandong kadai kabor bagi ikhtiar jong pi wai bat yerham hajingmut seperkat ke jong pi kani skul kani ka jaka sumar ada jimen toy jong perlu persnam kamtam binong song snong jong jalai bro koi idon ki bakaran kani kisingi giong bali KSU bali yaki inti po Neigrihms yol sei ka thot ngi samwan ni iwan khang thadap yaki Neigrihms pan pendako jaka sumar ngi wan kum kadak peni bagi bor penya jong Neigrihms kamtam kaskar India kade besngap kade mesak skor itkimat tingdawa jok aseng ibo koi asobanong ba ngimi nang ne kumki samla ngimi da jingkit kli bat nget ba kini jing dawa jok KSU kniat ski beban it's so long but this is so kuma kakrek menyapan sacisir naduk asai kasngi na liang jok KSU in saban yaban ya pek tikikot isla kumi penbet tiki bentang bala balik no marma